Hello, dear beautiful ladies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so. You all are fine, good, and enjoying the best conditions of your health. So, dear ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish and stunning collection of dresses. So, in this video, dear ladies, I am going to show you some awesome collection of crochet made long maxi style dresses, frock style dresses, bodycon style dress designs, and skater dress design ideas. So if you love to wear crochet made maxi style dresses, if you love to wear short frock style dresses, if you love to wear canite bodycon dresses, so this video is going to be very useful for you, very helpful for you. I have collected latest collection and latest designs of crochet made dresses in this video, so must watch this video till the end. I hope so, dear ladies, you all are going to love these designs of dresses. Different colors, different styles, different designs. Amazing colors combinations of crochet made dresses. So if you are loving these designs, dear ladies, so please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you dear ladies, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of crochet made dresses, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. And dear ladies, if you are loving these designs, so please do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. Amazing colors, amazing styles, amazing designs of dresses, long dresses, maxi style dresses, frock style dresses, skater dresses, bodycon style dresses. For exploring more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, so please dear ladies do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will be find out A-line style dresses, mother of the bride dresses, crochet made dresses, crochet made top design, blouse designs, cardigan style, shrug styles, office wear dresses for women, for girls, latest trends, latest ideas of dresses. You will be find out on my channel, so must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so dear ladies, those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you can get new ideas and new designs from those videos. I'm very thankful to you dear ladies for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your positive feedback. Thank you so much for your kind support on my channel. Keep visiting on my channel and keep supporting me by sharing my video. Very beautiful and stunning collection of dresses today I have collected for you dear ladies with crochet made handmade ideas. Thank you so much dear ladies for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, dear ladies, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye, and keep supporting me and keep sharing my video. Goodbye till the next video dear ladies.